Hello and welcome to my craft room in my 1902 farmhouse. My name is Alicia with Country Mama Musings, and today I'm working on a square here and I'm working some single crochets. I thought I would bring you into my craft room and show you how to complete a single crochet. So let's get started. With your yarn on your hook, we're going to the very next stitch here in my project, and from the front to the back we're going to place our hook through that stitch, making sure we get 2 loops captured onto our hook here. This is the front loop, this is the back loop. You always want to make sure that you get both front loop and back loop onto your hook unless indicated otherwise in your pattern. We're going to yarn over our hook and then pull our hook through, capturing that yarn and bringing it to the front of our work again. We have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again, bringing the yarn from away from us towards us so that it catches in the hook. With the yarn captured here in the hook, you're going to pull that loop through the 2 loops on your hook, completing a single crochet. Let's do that again in this stitch right here. From the front to the back, enter the stitch, making sure you get the front loop and the back loop. Yarn over your hook and pull your hook back through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over from away towards you, capturing that yarn under your hook. Pull that yarn through the 2 loops on your hook, completing the single crochet. One more time. In this stitch here, we're going to enter the stitch from the front to the back of our work, capturing both the front loop and the back loop. We're going to grab our yarn and pull it back through to the front of our work. That puts 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and take that yarn and pull it through the 2 loops that are on the hook, creating a single crochet. I'm going to complete a few more without speaking so you can see the process. And there you have it, the single crochet. I hope this tutorial helped you. Make sure you come back for more crochet activities here on my channel. Until I see you again, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.